In this episode of Chronicle of a Meal Foretold, I'll be showing you how to make a deliciously easy breakfast, a Dutch baby pancake. What exactly is a Dutch baby pancake? A Dutch baby is similar to a German pancake or crepe, but it's much larger and cooked in the oven. The term Dutch baby was coined in the 1900s at Monka's Cafe in Seattle, Washington. The Dutch baby is a specialty of some diners and chains that specialize in breakfast dishes, such as the Oregon-founded The Original Pancake House. The Original Pancake House is where I had my first Dutch baby. Located in the Centennial Hills area of Las Vegas, the Original Pancake House was the go-to spot for Sunday breakfast during my childhood. I loved the Dutch baby so much that I began to ask my parents to make it at home. My mother wasn't the best of cooks, but she could definitely bake. And to my surprise, a Dutch baby is baked in the oven. After many trials and errors, my mother began to formulate a family recipe, and after a few months critiquing the ingredients, we established a perfect recipe. This easy-to-make recipe takes 25 to 30 minutes, and I bet you already have all the ingredients needed. The ingredients include 3 eggs, 2/3 cup milk, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, 3 tablespoons butter, and a lemon and powdered sugar. Begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a blender, crack 3 eggs. We typically want the eggs to be room temperature, so putting the eggs in a warm bowl is a quick and easy trick. Add the 2/3 cup of milk. The next step is to add vanilla. Many recipes stick to 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, but it can vary. Next, add some salt. Add the 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and then the tablespoon of sugar. Blend the ingredients for 30 seconds, and then pause. I like to use a spatula to push down any large clumps stuck on the sides of the blender to make sure all the ingredients get blended properly. Blend the ingredients for another 20 seconds, making sure the batter is fully blended and even. After blending, let the batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes to develop a thickness. Grab a cast iron or non-stick pan and place it in the oven. After 5 minutes, the pan should be hot enough to add 3 tablespoons of butter. As you spread the butter, make sure it spreads throughout the pan so that no part of the Dutch baby can stick. Then add the batter, making sure that the entire portion is spread throughout the pan. Place the pan back into the oven. Set a timer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, grab the pan from the oven and let it sit for a few minutes. The Dutch baby will rise in the oven, but after taking it out, it will slowly fall back into the pan. The next step is optional. Grab a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the lemon all around the pancake. Then add your choice of fresh berries, syrups, or in my case, powdered sugar.